Algebra 1, so welcome to 1.1 to 1.3 review problems. So this video is a little bit different. You're going to go ahead, you're going to copy down the problem, try it on your own, and then press play to review your work. You got 5 example problems to do with me today. Let's go ahead. You know how it works, starting off with example number 1. So example number 1, we're going to do 2 over 3 x plus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, you might have gone ahead and solved it like this with inverse operations, taking away 5 from both sides, getting you to -2. Then you would have multiplied both sides by 3. That caused this to cancel out. 2x is equal to -6. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is equal to -3. So that was option 1 on this one, but you might have seen it a little bit differently. So I'm actually going to go to the side here and rewrite this problem. 2 over 3x plus 5 is equal to 3. And what we love about these problems is that you can actually fraction bust and solve a different way. So some of you might have seen it as a fraction and wanted to fraction bust this. And if you do that, you get 2x plus 15 is equal to 9. So now you use your inverse operations, and we get 2x is equal to -6. You can see on the other side that it's kind of the same steps here, and x is equal to -3. So either way that you did this, you should have come up with x is equal to -3. All right, example 2. They're going to get a little bit trickier as we go. This guy's a multi-step. 2k minus 3 times 2k minus 3 equals 45. So I like to do this one, of course, because we've been using x's, and this one uses a different variable, but same concept. So we need to go ahead and distribute this 3. Hopefully you've already done this and you're just checking your work. If not, hit pause, try it on your own. Okay, so if you notice there, I distributed a negative to a negative. We got a +9. Now I need to go ahead and combine like terms. Oh, these are Trojan colors. Okay, so we have -4k plus 9 is equal to 45. So when you use your inverse operations, you get 36. Divide by -4. Don't forget to divide by that entire coefficient. I'm actually going to highlight that really quickly. So this is the entire coefficient. You want to go ahead and divide by an entire coefficient on that one. So if it's a negative number, divide by a negative number. And then we get k is equal to -9. Final answer. There we go. Okay. Example 3. This one we got a fraction bust. So 1/3 x plus 3 over 2 x equals 4 over 3 x minus 7 over 2. Okay, this might have been one of the most difficult problems that you've seen so far, so hopefully you tried it. We are looking at our denominators, 3, 2, 3, 2. So that tells me that my LCD is 6. So I'm going to multiply, not with a highlighter, with a pencil. Multiply by 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6. And go ahead, kind of follow along with my trick with me. So we have 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1, that gives us 2x. Plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8x. And 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 7 is negative 21 on that one. Oops, not 27. 21. All right, now we need to go ahead. Let's combine some like terms. So 2x plus 9x is 11x minus 21. This is one of those with the variables on both sides. So the first thing that I need to do is get my variables on one side of the equation. So I'm going to move those to my left side. I'm going to keep that as a negative 21. So divide by 3, divide by 3. My answer on this one is x is equal to negative 7. How'd you do? Did you get it? Hopefully. Oops. My boxes. There we go. Okay, as promised, you have 2 more to do. I like this page a little bit better. I like that green. Okay, example 4. 2 times 2x minus 3 is equal to 8x minus 4 times x plus 3. Let's go ahead, distribute that negative 4 in there. 4x minus 6 is equal to 8x minus 4x minus 12. Now go ahead, combine these like terms. So 4x minus 6 is equal to 4x minus 12. Move your x's to one side. I like to usually, for the most part, move it to the left side, but it's up to you. Now this is what's so interesting about this one is that 4x minus x is 0. 4x minus x is 0. So the only things that you are left with is a negative 6 equals negative 12. But negative 6 for sure does not equal negative 12. So when this happens, we say no solution. Okay, last example for you. Example 5. 3 over 4, parentheses, 2x minus 1 plus 1/2 is equal to 5 over 4. It's a fraction bust. Look at your denominators. 4, 2, 4. Your LCD is 4. So we're going to multiply every term by 4. There we go. Now the thing is that this guy right here is all one term. So this is just going to have to be multiplied by 4. We're not going to touch those parentheses. Multiply this guy by 4, this guy by 4, leaving us with, this is 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Please don't touch anything in the parentheses. Leave them right there. 2x minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 5 is 5. Now, this is just a multi-step. So distribute, and we get 6x minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Combine your like terms. 6x minus 1 is equal to 5. Inverse operations. 6x is equal to 6, and when we divide by 6 on both sides, x is equal to 1. Awesome job, Algebra 1. I hope you did pretty well. I will see you